Welcome to the first lesson of the engagement course. In this course, we are going to learn how to increase engagement and conversions of your online presence. Let's start by defining the objectives of this course. Before we examine each of the objectives, you should have in mind some preliminary notes. We will define 4 objectives we want to achieve with this course, but we would advise to prioritize these objectives, choosing the one that is most important to you. Even though the objectives are not mutually exclusive, it's better to sort them and prioritize the ones you want to achieve first, because trying to achieve everything at once might be a too complex process. Therefore, it's always best to choose 1 or 2 objectives and perform the actions that will help you to achieve those objectives. This course is not based exclusively on the usage of high social platform. Of course, the usage of high social platform will make achieving these goals much easier, but the intention of this course is to help you achieve the goals below, regardless if you use high social or not. In the end, we want to say that this is a practical course. We will present practical ideas and case studies so that you can immediately apply everything you see in this course. Having said this, let's look at our 4 objectives we want to achieve with this course. The first objective is to increase sales and conversions. When we say conversions, we mean something we want to achieve with our online presence, for example, to get a certain amount of visit or feedback. The second objective is to increase the number of subscribers on our mailing list. Later on, you can use these emails to contact the subscribers and to send a newsletter about your business, about your promotion, sales, etc. The third goal is to improve your presence on social networks. This course will help you increase and strengthen your presence in different social networks. The final objective of this course is to increase engagement of both the users and your employees. These are all the objectives we want to achieve with this course. To achieve these goals, we will use various instruments. In this segment, we are going to briefly discuss these instruments, and we will provide a brief description. The first instrument used are coupons and discounts. Coupons and discounts include any type of promotion you want to achieve, whether those are printable coupons or digital coupons used in online shops. The second element are virtual gifts. This includes any type of digital material that can be downloaded by the users of your website or your social followers. The third instrument are contests. There are several types of contests where people can participate. We also have sweepstakes. Unlike contests, the winner of the sweepstakes is chosen randomly. The fifth element are layers and banners. We use them to highlight certain messages on our website, messages we want to convey to our website visitors. The final instrument is gamification. Gamification is the application of the elements typical for games in non-playful environment. This is a little bit theoretical definition of what gamification really is. We will see how to use both your Facebook page and your website to achieve the objectives mentioned above. These are the tools that we will use in this process. And now we will focus on some other important things you should consider. As we have already said, it is important that you set your priorities. We have already introduced the objectives, and when you choose 1 or 2 of them, you will be able to measure your efforts. For example, if you say that you would like to increase the list of subscribers and your goal is to get 500 or 1000 new emails, you should set this as your priority. As the promotion goes on, you will be able to measure your efforts and the efficiency of your strategy, comparing the results and the goals you have set. The second thing you should consider is setting up a timetable for your actions. Once your goal is defined, you will have to plan and develop a course of action to establish your own schedule and to plan a series of actions to be developed in order to achieve your goals. It is also important to assign the assets you're going to spend to achieve those goals within the initial plan, both in terms of people necessary to carry out the actions you have planned and in terms of advertising, support, and so forth. Having in mind that this course is completely practical, you can immediately apply everything you learn here. Each lesson will focus on a different aspect in order to achieve the goals you have set. The ultimate goal of this course is to see the real results of your online presence and how this actually improved your business. In the next lesson, we will look at what we call the set of objectives or instruments in terms of which 4 objectives you should choose and which are the instruments advised in that case. Some instruments are more suitable for a specific goal, so we will see how to choose the instruments based on the goal you have set as your priority. We will also see some additional things on where to publish, how to publish your promotion. We have several possibilities since we can publish a promotion on your website, on Facebook, on other social networks, but we will examine this topic in details in the next video. Thank you for your attention. Hope to see you in the next video.